Aventura Hotel.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today?
The Aventura Hotel lobby. Starbucks and a bar. Which one to hit? That is the question. It's very modern and sleek. So I am at Universal's Aventura Hotel and I'm in the lobby and everyone's waiting to get a Starbucks before we keep going. So I thought I would show you around. If you look over here, there is a sushi bar and some other fun, yummy stuff. And over here looks like a quick service area, and then just a lot of seating and time. It's a very modern hotel. We'll walk over to the other side. Pizza here, and then gelato. Ooh, gelato. Ooh, that sounds good. There's some gelato right here. That sounds delicious. I may be getting that. We'll see. Here at the rooftop bar at Aventura Resort. A full panoramic rooftop experience. Let's walk over this way. Nice view of the highway. I'm just gonna walk along the windows. This window you can see Cabana Bay. Cabana Bay is huge. You can see Volcano Bay in the distance. There it is. You can see, I can see Hogwarts right over there. I'm pointing at it right there. Roller coasters, there's a Hulk coaster. So I just took a tour of Universal's Aventura Hotel and I have to say it's very nice, it's very modern, it's very clean, but it's not really for me. It doesn't have the pizzazz some of the other ones do, but I liked it and it was a cool tour, so I hope you enjoyed it. Next we are on to Universal's Sapphire Falls Resort and I'm excited to show you around that one, so stay tuned. Bye.